This is episode number 4 or 5, we don't remember.
Welcome!
Of our off-grid renovation home.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a bunch of little fixing at the house, and I think I'll bring you with us as we go to the second hand to find some furniture.
Once again,
We've been buying some furnitures at second-hand places, and
it's really exciting. They have so much cool stuff.
they do.
In Italy, I don't know. It feels like there are a lot of old furnitures.
Yeah. So let's start the episode. Okay, we're at the house, and today we have to deal with this pile of firewood. We're gonna put it outside there. It's 1,500 kilos of firewood, 1.5 tons, and it's going to be exciting. This is going to be our firewood for this winter if we're ever gonna move in. We'll see, but it's good to have it, so we're gonna stack it outside there. Last time when we came in, there was water everywhere.
There are like 3. It leaks in from the wall. It leaks in, especially there. It leaked in a lot. And also a bit there. So
Yeah.
we had to deal to raise. Some of the wood was maybe a bit damaged, but overall it went pretty well.
Yeah, it went pretty well, but we have like solar panels and batteries, things that are a little bit, and the wood, of course. Oh my goodness, the mushroom. And yeah, here was all wet, and there was water, like a pool of water, and it leaked, as Mika said, it leaked through the walls. So we have to deal with digging like a swale. What is it called? Swale? Trench around the house so the water can flow away.
So the water comes from the roof, and then we haven't really managed it where it will go. So it just piles from the roof and then also from the terrain itself. And then it's just like creating small lakes that slowly seep in through the walls and the foundation itself.
Yeah.
But we already kind of knew a bit about that because we saw water in here before. So we had like more or less been prepared, but this time it was a lot more. So we had a little bit of issues, but it wasn't that bad. Now it's all blocked. There's no escape from here for the water.
Exactly.
So either you would have to do an underground escape pipe,
Yeah, no.
or for now we could just dig out
Now we
a
put a little
temporary
bridge.
trench.
Now we put a little bridge.
Because, yeah, exactly, because then we would already be done, basically.
Yeah.
almost.
Yeah, our intention is to remove that thick layer of brambles because we need to dig a trench, and then we're gonna go there, that's the balcony, and create a hole exactly there, so the water that enters when it rains and the rain enters in the balcony, the water will escape from the hole that we will we'll create. We'll perforate.
There we have to make a hole basically.
There we'll make a hole and we perforate this beautiful wall, and we hope for the best because we never done something like that. But Mickey's gonna remove this first with the site. And I'm gonna knit. I'm gonna take a break and knit on this big, it was a shawl, but I decided to turn it into a big blanket. So it's gonna be a blanket. Yay!
Just a couple of
Good morning. It's snowing. It's the end of November and it's snowing. But I don't know how much you can see. It's snowing. My goodness. Yay. some bagels. You can't really find bagels around here in Italy in general, I bet. I mean, never seen them, so it's not really our thing, but I got really excited to make some bagels, and we're gonna try. Hello. So 3 weeks ago we bought this stufa. It's kind of like a wood burning stove and very old, and it needed some restoration, so we are restoring it right now. And it's gonna be the source of heat that we will have in the beginning in the house. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, but life. And so right now what we're gonna do, if I find it here, we're gonna mix this refractory cement with water, and we're gonna kind of fill the gap in between these stones that you can see. We removed some of them as well, so we're kind of like fill up this hole where the fire will be. And this kind of cement, refractory cement, and these stones maintain the heat in the wood burning stove, so they're kind of, I don't really know the technical terms, like not good at those things, and I'm getting very stressed, but we need to do this. So that's the job that we're gonna do now. This is the it's kind of like clay, no?
Yeah.
Where's the magic gone?
Oh,
Where did it run to?
nice.
Never thought it'd leak, but I'm left with an emptiness. Won't you tell me where the magic's gone? Well, back when I was young, it was all around. Everywhere I looked, it was there. Now I blankly stare, and I wonder where the magic's gone. And is there a reason why it was leaving? Did I stop believing? Or could it be true? Now I just hope that one day it'll come back and make everything new. Ooh. Well, maybe one day soon we'll be together together again. And the world will come alive right before my eyes, just like magic. Oh, sweet magic. Yeah, this old magic that I once knew.
We found this baby hidden behind some trash. It's a wood workbench, and it has already this. It's like a quick release vise, which is pretty big. Like only this has a value, right? And all of this bench for 200 euro.
It's so cool.
Like, look how massive this is.
Then you can really make a lot of projects.
Yeah, I mean, only this wood is so worth. Like, if I would build this, it would cost me a double minimum to build it myself.
Yeah.
And here it is. It was waiting for me, this one.
It's so beautiful. Incredibly beautiful furniture in castagno, I don't know, chestnut, white chestnut, and it's handmade. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it costs 680 euros. So we could have this as a kitchen storage, and that's it. We want it. It's so beautiful. Look at these tiny drawers.
Yeah, I don't think we can find anything much cheaper than this.
It's very beautiful with these details too.
Yeah.
I don't know, I love this also detail that it opens like that. It's really like mountain hat type of style and furniture. And then we could have like a wood burning stove on the side, and that's it. Like we don't need even more storage.
Here are Martina and Mike choosing and finally feeling the wood of their next kitchen credence. Cabinets. Yes, look at this. How beautiful.
It's absolutely massive. So beautiful. Made in super hard wood as well.
Yeah, and the details.
It's very nice.
Baby, we got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But even up here, can you
so
put
much-
stuff here? No, that's not possible.
I mean, you can, but
That's not really meant to be.
Yeah.
Well done.
Decision time. Decision made.
We got it.
We
What
got
can
it.
say?
Yes. Ciao. Next time it will be in your home.
Yeah. See you in the home.
See you there.